2021 was by far the best year of my life. I had my first baby. 2021 has brought so much change and growth to my life and my hair. I can't believe Eco is already a year old. I'll be posting a postpartum video real soon. A lot of women don't stop experiencing postpartum symptoms for a whole year after having a baby. So I want to give my body enough time to go through all its changes. So this is how I started the year, pregnant as hell. But I will say my length was a little above my belly button. My hair got longer from pregnancy, but what shocked me the most is how full and dense it got. I had Eco on January 18th, and this is what my hair looked like in February. My edges filled in so much it was unreal. Most importantly, it confirmed that none of the hair follicles in my edges are dead. They're alive and well. But I'll talk about that in more detail in my postpartum video. I didn't use heat in my hair for a few months, mainly because I didn't have the time, but also because I wanted to be low manipulation as possible to brace for the massive postpartum shedding I was anticipating. So this was my hair in March and April. By May, my hair was still super dense. My hair type is naturally dense, so when I say dense, I mean dense. I probably had enough hair for 4 people. I didn't do a check-in in June, but by July, I finally blew out my hair and gave myself a much-needed trim. There's just something about trims that are so refreshing. They keep my ends from looking dull. It's like trims make my length look better. I also did a comparison post on Instagram. I love doing these because it reminds me how far I've come. Hair grows slowly, so it can feel like you're not getting anywhere. But it's important to stay on course and trust the process, because the only way to guarantee failure is to give up. I was on a roll, so I did another comparison post in August. My postpartum shedding was not drastic, as in it didn't happen all at once. It was gradual. So the extra bulk reduced little by little over time. But overall, my bulk has increased since before pregnancy. I'll share my theory on why that is in my postpartum video. In November, I posted a length check. I was able to preserve most of my volume and gained inches. This was my hair in December. I ended the year with more volume and more length. I trimmed off about 2 inches, so I retained about 4 inches of length. That seems to be my consistent pattern. Every year, my hair grows 6 inches, I trim off 2, and retain 4. My goal for 2022 is to stay consistent with this pattern and see how far I can bulk up my hair even more. In 2021, I didn't have the time to use plants in my hair as much as I usually do. So for 2022, I'm gonna get back to that and of course post videos on what I'm doing. I hope this video inspires you to create hair goals that are more realistic. Stick to the process, pay attention to your hair, and stick to what's working for you, and you'll get there.